Hello growers, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. I am Aditya Mishra. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about upcoming mass hiring updates. Yes, these company will shortly hiring and few companies have started hiring for 25 and 26 batches. In this video, you might be from a 25 batch or 26 batch and you will be looking for mass hiring updates. So in this video, I will be covering mass hiring recruiters or the companies which hire in bulk quantity. Okay, so yes, start preparing now because in this video I will be letting you know about Accenture, Tech Mahindra, IBM and Wipro. Okay, their rounds, their process. Subscribe this channel so that you won't be missing any other update, and the study materials, coding materials will be available on Prime Coding for free, so please check that out. Accenture. So Accenture is the very first company and one of the mass hiring recruiting company. Most of the tier 3, tier 4 colleges, they do visit, as well as tier 2, tier 1 as well. This company is a very good MNC. Batches 26 and 25 allowed, and previous batches depends on them. Okay, so previous batches with the sense 24, 23, 22, these people or these candidates mostly depend upon this particular opportunity. So this opportunity is for PADA role and SASA role. So product development engineer as well as system administrative engineer. These are two roles. Salary would be around 4.5 and 3.5 LPA. PADA is equivalent to ASC role, which is associate software engineer role, or sometimes they hire with two different roles. Okay, these are the PADA peoples and these are the ACE peoples. So this, if Accenture is visiting to your campus, definitely they will be coming with software engineer or associate software engineer role. Some colleges do get software engineer roles as well, and advanced software engineer where the salary would be around 6.7 LPA. And if they are hiring for software engineer, associate software engineer, then 4.5 LPA. But in SASA role, there is a straightforward role which is 3.5 LPA. And SASA role, the eligible students are who are pursuing 3 years of integrated degree. And for PADA and ACE roles, the 4 years of BTech degree if you are pursuing. As you can see, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc are the qualified eligible people who can apply for AAC or PADA roles. SAA, BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, etc. for 3 years courses, you can head on to SASA role. Yes, the hiring timeline would be very slow as per the previous trends. They will, if you submit your resume and stuff, they will be taking time to respond. But yes, the roles are active. You can go and apply. For these roles, you can straight away go on Accenture career page and get the PADA role right there and try to apply with your updated resume. Last year, few months of hiring, Accenture freeze the hiring, but this year Accenture will hire for sure, because previously at this particular stage, like after October, the Accenture freeze the hiring for PADA and SASA role. Very few people are getting updates around it, because still the 2024 grads are getting the response of PADA roles like training program or something, but have not received the joining letter yet. Okay, there's training period been started, which is gonna be virtual. You need to pursue courses, that there is a test after every course you need to write, then there is a final test after your training period, then you will be getting the joining letter. I hope you got my point. So these are the some big hiring procedure that you need to follow to receive a joining letter in Accenture. So if I talk about the flow, assessment 1, coding, cognitive and technical assessment, coding assessment, communication assessment, and technical and HR interview. Right after that, you will be having your offer letter. And after 6 months, 7 months, or it might be less, but in the worst case, 6-7 months, you will be receiving your training updates. Okay. But let's say if you are able to crack cognitive and technical assessment, cognitive assessment, and communication, then before this interview, Accenture interview are totally random. Okay, it can be they will ask you some hard problems to you. It may be they will ask some general problems to you, or sometime the difficulty would be around in medium level. Medium in this is they will be asking you core subjects, they will be checking your communication, they will be checking your programming skills, and many more. For that, we are converting your interview opportunity to offer letters so that you can make your parents proud. Because if you already been through the pressure that you're gonna face in your actual interview, then definitely you will be confident, nervousless in your actual interview. Okay, in-depth technical mock HR and MR question would be asked to you at that particular stage so that we can test your communication, your thinking process as well. Full interview simulation of more than 90 minutes, okay? Because we will be covering many more things like problem solving, you're checking communication, situational questions, MR questions, HR questions, and DSA questions. That roles is aligned to the DSA question. We have real experts who crack these type of companies in their on-campus placement. They have experiences of 1 year or 6 months more than that, and they are working in Perth-based companies. Resume review is the cherry on the top because we will be telling you where you are going wrong and how you can update your resume so that you can stand in your interview. Personalized feedback and expert guidance would be given to you right there in the session. Whatever doubts you have or whatever guidance you need, everything would be taken care in the mock interview. That's why it hits more than 90 minutes. For that, please consider www.primequitting.in to achieve your goals and train for your make your parents proud. Let's talk about the Wipro opportunity. And the best part of this opportunity is it is live. Yes, it is live. So August 31st, August 25 would be the last date to apply. So you can see still 15 days is left. So go and straight away apply right now. As you can see, the selection process is round 1. Online assessment comprising of 3 sections: aptitude test, written communication test, and online programming test. You can see 2 coding questions will be 20 and very easy string array or shifting in array or some kind of things you need to do here. The programming languages which are eligible for this thing is C, C++, Python. Okay. One thing you need to make sure that your qualification should be more than 60% throughout your academics. It is considered your 10th and 12th grades marks as well. Coming to that, on your UG grades should be more than 60% or 6 CGPA. Okay, so everything would be listed below. In the description you can find the opportunity link so that you can go and straight away apply by checking your eligibility skills. As this is a superset hiring, so I will highly recommend you to apply. Otherwise, you will miss a big mass hiring thing. Okay, it is for 2025 and check for 2026 as well. But yes, I know, as far as I know, it is for 2025 update. Now another round would be voice assessment, then the interview. Now you know, before your interview you need to check yourself through crime coding, isn't it? So yes, go on crack coding for sure. Now another opportunity is from Tech Mahindra. Yes, this is another big giant. They hire people for associate software engineer and they have multiple chunks. Okay, let's see out. So yes, super coder like ASC and super coder are the 2 profiles where Tech Mahindra visited the campus. Yes, if they are visiting, they will be visiting in September and October. So start preparing according to it. And for the essential, they will be now. You might get the notification by September, October. Okay, and few colleges they do visit in August as well. So yes, batch is 2016, 2026, 25 and 24 are eligible for this. ASC, which is 3.25 LPA, super coder 5.5 LPA. Okay, for ASC role, BE, BTech, MCA, MSc are the eligible degrees that you should have. Round 1 would be aptitude test, English, easy, essay and story. Round 2 would be technical and psychometric test, verbal communication test, technical interview and HR interview that you need to pass through, and in round 6 you will get your offer letter. Yes, this is a big tedious work, but no need to worry. As I told about, the opportunity has 26, 25, 24. These are the on-campus stats. Okay, for 26 batch, if they're coming, the people who are not placed from 25, they will be sitting for this opportunity as well. But in off-campus, they also hire off campus for 25 and 24 batches too. So you need to stay subscribed to this channel so that you will be getting the update if they are hiring off campus or not. But yes, they will hire off campus for sure. Super coder, you need to solve all of the programming questions which is there in the online assessment, and right after that, if they want to reevaluate your skills, they will be taking the test again. But yes, these are the procedure. If the notification will come in the college, we'll let you know about that properly, how to crack and what are the coding sheets that you need to follow, and the syllabus for everything, like what is the important topics that you need to go through. Okay, IBM is a big product-based companies, guys. If you are getting this opportunity, get into this, because TCS, IBM, essentially, these are the big names. If you have these names in your resume will stand out. ASC role, which is Associate System Engineer, not Associate Software Engineer. They are hiring for System Engineer. Although multiple companies have their different naming for the profiles, so the work would be relatable, but you don't need to worry. If they are getting into your college, straight away apply. 26 and 25 people would be eligible in the off-campus or on-campus notification of IBM. 4.5 LPA would be your in-hand salary. Course eligible would be BE, BTech, ME, MTech and dual degree, MSc and MCA. The rounds is included coding round, communication round and interview round. So yes, coding round would be easy, not that hard. Communication round, you need to say, you need to speak there, you need to fill the grammar, you need to understand the paragraph and do if you want to get flavor of communication round. I already posted many communication round video of Cockneys and you can just watch. You will get a flavor what kind of questions and how you need to say the answers would be given in that particular video. Okay, you can just write Cockneys and communication, you will get that video. So yes, these are from my side. Yes, as the PPT is also end. So if any of the opportunity notification you already got in your on campus, please let us know in the comment section. We will be reaching out to you. Otherwise, we will find by our connections as well. So we'll meet you with a new video soon. If you want to stay updated, if you want to get blazed, subscribe this channel if you want to get placed free. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.